Leave it to Ram to figure this out. This guy right here spins. It makes a lot of noise, opening and closing the doors. So I lube it up with some lithium grease after cleaning it, and now it don't spin, and it's worse. Just an update. I got it turning again, but no amount of lubricant will fix it, including in there. So I hammered that down and it's temporarily fixed, but it's gonna come back. I have all these Fords driving by wondering why I'm always working on my truck, but these gotta be the worst door hinges ever made. Like, I can barely close this door, it's getting stuck so